Okay, so this package here is from a company called Toppik, as you guys see right here. So if you look closely here, the girl's thinning a little bit. It's not too cute, but I mean, it is what it is. So I've always self-conscious about like getting these sides braided up because, like I said, I am thinning there. So this company Toppik has these hair building fibers. So this is what it looks like here in the packaging. So this is the dark brown. I believe they have black too. So they have a medium blonde and then black. So this is the black hair building fibers. So basically it's like hair-like fibers that you kind of just like spray onto your hair to fill in your hairline. So I'm gonna give this a try and see how this works. So it does come with a little like applicator to help you squeeze it out into your hair. So this is what it looks like. And yeah, you hear it. So, and it has a comb. Here it is. It's a hairline optimizer. This is what this is called. So this is kind of like to so it says you insert the teeth of the Toppik optimizer into your hairline. Lightly shake or spray Toppik fibers for a perfectly natural appearance. So if you kind of see, like, it has like grooves, so kind of like to mimic a natural hairline. So let me show you guys. Alright, so what we do first is we're just going to unscrew this here. And it has like a little protective seal. So we're going to pull that off. And I'm just going to go ahead and... No, I need to take this off too. Alright, so you take this part off too. And then this should screw on. There we go. I want to like spray it onto a paper towel so you can see what it looks like. So I can see what it looks like. Oh, that's cool. So see? So it's literally like a spray. The closer you get, the more harsh it is. And then the further away you are, the more of like natural appearance it's gonna give you. So we're just gonna give this a try on this hairline back here and see what happens. Ooh. Okay, that just filled right in. So let's try this on the other side now. Okay, I'm very happy with that. Like, it really just like filled in that whole area that I was like super self-conscious. So I got a little on my ear, but I'm just gonna go in with like some alcohol and just wipe that right off. Okay, so there we have it, you guys. Like, it looks so natural and it really just filled in like those problem areas that I have on the side. So now I don't even have to worry about it. I don't look like I'm thinning anymore. So again, this is from the company called Toppik, and it is their hair building fibers, and I use the color black. They have dark brown and blonde as well. So I really like how this came out. So yeah, if you guys want to check it out, I'll definitely have a link for you guys below. And if you found this video to be pretty helpful, then make sure you give me a big thumbs up. And I will catch you guys in my next video, and thanks for watching.